Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about the structure of the program in Python. First, Python is an interpreted language. It's not a compiled language. What does this mean? It means that every line is interpreted using an interpreter. Compiled languages like C or C++, you have to write a file and the whole file must be compiled without any errors. And this will be translated into a binary code that can run. Python is not like that. Python is just an interpreted language. The second thing we're going to talk about is the structure of a program in Python. The program in Python consists of statements. In other languages like C or C++ or Java, you have to write your code inside a function. And basically, you need to have the main function to run. But in Python, you can just write statements like this one. So when you write this statement, for example, the program is going to run. And if you hit this button here, you can see that it runs. You don't have to create a main function so that the program runs. You can just write statements. So what is a statement? The statement is a complete instruction that is given to the computer. And this instruction has to do something. And we have several types of statements. One of them is the function call. This is a function call. How do we know it's a function call? In general, a function is going to have a name, parentheses, and some arguments inside. So the function name, parentheses, and inside we have something. This something here is called an argument or a parameter. So this is the function call. There is another type of statement, and it's called the assignment statement. And the assignment statement, just like this, x assigned 20. Again, this is a complete instruction, and this one also is a complete instruction. What does mean complete instruction? For the function call, when we call it and we pass it this argument here, we are actually asking the computer to print to the screen this statement or this sentence, hello world. So this function call, when we run it, it will just print to the screen, as you can see. But what about this one, the assignment statement? The assignment statement is translated like this. I am asking the computer to reserve a piece of memory for me or for my program. Piece of memory. I ask the computer put the value 20 in it and name it x, such that whenever I mention the term x, please grab the value 20. That's it. So in the assignment, we are basically asking the computer to reserve a piece of memory or allocate a piece of memory for us. This piece of memory, we're going to give it a name like x, and it has a value 20. Whenever we say the word x, we mean the 20. X here is called a variable, right? So let's see what we can do. If we say print like that, and instead of writing hello world like this, we are just going to say x. So what it will print? Yes, exactly. It will print 20. Why? Because, as we said, whenever we mention the word x, it will grab the value 20. So if we run this, you see, this is a program run. You have hello world because we run this. This one doesn't do anything that you can see, but behind the scene, it's reserving a piece of memory named x and has a value 20. And when we run the function call again, print x, it will print the value of x, 20. As I mentioned, in this statement, the assignment statement, we create a piece of memory and we give it the name x. X is called a variable. So a variable is a name for a piece of memory we have reserved or allocated, and we give it a value. Now, can we create any variable of any type? Probably yes. So for example, we can say y and then assigned 3.4. So here the 20 is actually an integer value, but this one is a decimal value or floating point value. Floating point because it has the floating point here. So 3.4. And we can have also something like text. So we can have something like message. Oh, right. So this is a variable of type integer because we have a memory named, we give it the name x. I would put the value 20, which is integer, inside it. This one is an assignment where the variable named y and it has the value 3.4 inside it. And this one is a variable also, and it's named message and it has the value hello inside it. The type of this variable is called string or a string of characters. In programming, a string means text. So we can have a variable that holds text as well. Again, can we have the print function printing all of them? Yes, we can. So we can say print y and then print the message. Let's clear this. Now, as you can see, this one is going to print hello world. This one is going to allocate or reserve a memory for me, give it the name x, put the value 20 inside it. This one will print the value of x, which is 20. This one will create another variable, which means to reserve another piece of memory and has the value 3.4 in it. And this one will do the same, but create a variable with the name message and put the value hello inside it. And this one will print the value of y, which is this, 3.4. And this one will print the value of message, which is hello. So if we run the program from here, you'll see that it has hello world here. This is the first statement. This statement you don't see what happens because it's behind the scene. This one will print the value of x, which is 20. This one prints the value of y, which is 3.4. And this one will print the value of message, which is hello. So this is a basic structure of a program in Python. In the next video, we're going to dig deep into Python programming language. So see me next time if you want to learn more about Python. Thank you.